Hello and welcome. My name is My-Linh Truong, and I'm the Division Manager for Unmanned Laser Scanning at RIEGL USA. Today I'll be discussing the benefits of increasing efficiency and usability, news and updates for RIEGL's unmanned laser scanning technology. In this presentation, I will give an update on the innovations in RIEGL LiDAR sensor technology, discussing the improved Vox1 UAV and Vox1 LR Edition 22 series, the next expansion to the miniVUX series, the new Minivox1 LR, system payload features increasing flexibility in solutions for multi-purpose integrations, additional camera options to increase your data attributes, as well as software updates to take you further and beyond with these high-performance engineering-grade mapping solutions. Let's first take a look at RIEGL's line of unmanned LiDAR solutions. Starting from left to right, in terms of measurement range, the miniVUX Series 1, 2, and 3 UAV, as well as the new miniVUX1 LR for long range, is RIEGL's entry level of survey-grade accuracy UAV LiDAR, with several variants to satisfy different operational needs and budgets. Next is the versatile VUX-1 series, the Vox1 LR and Vox1 UAV Edition 22 with improved specifications and a laser pulse repetition rate of up to 1.5 MHz. The VUX-120 with its unique scan pattern, the so-called NFB or nadir forward-backward scanning, offers optimal coverage of complex vertical structures with a field of view of 100 degrees. Its sister type and larger VUX-240 is a versatile sensor for use on larger types of UAVs, as well as small manned helicopters and airplanes, which offers a higher laser measurement range. And last but certainly not least is our topobathymetric solution, the VQ-840G, for use in LiDAR applications on larger UAS and small manned aerial platforms alike. Now, as we enter the year 2022, I'd like to discuss some new and exciting improvement updates to our well-established Vox1 series. The improved Vox1 series is the same size and weight. However, all of our sensors of the improved series now offer a full field of view of 360 degrees. There is no additional firmware that is required for purchase to unlock that. And they offer a very high measurement range of up to 1.2 MHz for the Vox1 UAV or 1.5 MHz for the Vox1 LR. They all offer a lower minimum range to capture even closer targets, so this is especially useful for mobile laser scanning applications, and still support up to 4 cameras. So our new Vox1 series really provides an improved efficiency and usability, which supports your flexible, multi-purpose integrations, which in return offers a faster return on your investment. So let's dive in and take a look at what's been improved for the Vox1 UAV. It now offers a maximum 1200 kilohertz laser pulse repetition rate compared to the previous up to 550 kilohertz, making it 2.2 times faster. And this offers up to 37% increase in ranging performance. The minimum range has been reduced to 1.5 meters, makes it even better for mobile laser scanning applications. And there's something of note that the operating temperature has decreased down to negative 20 degrees Celsius. Now, while the previous Vox1 UAV offered 6 discrete laser pulse repetition returns, the new Vox1 UAV offers a fine-tunable pulse repetition rate ranging from 50 kilohertz all the way up to 1.2 megahertz. The measurement range improved by a factor of up to 1.37, and this offers a maximum laser pulse repetition rate improvement by a factor of 2.2. And this enables the new Vox1 UAV to operate at twice the pulse repetition rate as before for your given measurement range. Just an example in terms of point density, by operating the new Vox1 UAV at the new 1200 kilohertz laser pulse repetition rate, flying at 8 knots, or 4 meters per second at a typical AGL of 80 meters, you can gain about 302 points per square meter with one flight pass. Now, flying double at the speed at the same altitude would result in 150 points per square meter. For our new Vox1 LR, let's take a dive in and see if you've operated the new Vox1 LR at the maximum 1500 kilohertz laser pulse repetition rate compared to the previous 820 kilohertz. This makes it 1.83 times faster, offering up to 22% increase in its ranging performance and a significant reduction of 3.5 meters reduction in the minimum range. And it is now 2 times more precise with precision at now 5 millimeters. Just with the Vox1 UAV, the Vox1 LR also offered 6 discrete laser pulse repetition rates, but the new 22 edition still also features a fine-tunable laser pulse repetition rate ranging anywhere between 50 kilohertz all the way up to 1.5 megahertz. This measurement range improvement is up to a factor of 1.44. The maximum pulse repetition rate has improved by a factor of 1.8. And just like the Vox1 UAV and compared to its predecessor, the new Vox1 LR can also operate at twice the pulse repetition rate for a given measurement range. Now operating the new Vox1 LR at the new 1500 kilohertz laser pulse repetition rate, flying at 60 knots and an AGL of 106 meters, this will yield an approximately 38 points per square meter. So how does this improvement in the VUX-1 series compare to RIEGL's previously established VUX-1 series line? Now, although the laser pulse repetition rate is the same as the larger VUX 240 model, the VUX 120 has a tighter accuracy of 10 millimeters and precision of 5 millimeters. It also mirrors the same accuracy and precision as the Vox1 UAV. However, it's nearly half the weight and offers an even longer measurement range compared to the Vox1 LR. A notable key feature between all of the models are the differing field of views, which is a factor in your mission planning. So the big question is, if you're already an owner of a VUX1 series sensor type, do you qualify for this new 22 edition series upgrade? And the answer is yes, if your sensor type was delivered to you in January 2020 and onwards. This requires servicing to be done at a RIEGL facility where not only a firmware upgrade will be applied, but an internal recalibration, alignment, system bore site calibration, and 2-year system maintenance would be applied. And therefore, pricing and availability is to be provided to you directly. Please coordinate directly with your local RIEGL distributor office or your OEM system integrator with your scanner's serial number to determine eligibility and scheduling. Now, as a theme of today's presentation is increasing the range and efficiency for overall VUX product line, naturally, I'd like to introduce our new MiniVUX1 LR. The LR is our miniaturized long-range sensor type for a miniVUX series. Same size, weight, dimensions, and offers a laser pulse repetition rate of 100 kilohertz at 360 degrees, just like the MiniVUX-1 UAV. But the key distinction here, it is the longer range, maximum measurement range of up to 500 meters, which makes it up to 1.5 times longer in its capability. And this provides an improvement in a longer performance and meets specific demands in certain applications that requires measurement in inaccessible canyons, open pit mines, in these complex target situations. Now, with this latest expansion in the miniVUX series, you're probably wondering which of these miniVUX series models makes the most sense for your applications. And I would say with the new Minivox1 LR, if you really need that long-ranging capability for those complex target environments, then that would make the most sense. Otherwise, I would say that the benefits of the miniVUX 3 UAV is that it offers the same capabilities of the miniVUX 1 UAV, the miniVUX 2 UAV, but it also offers the additional 200 kilohertz measurement program with a field of view of 180 degrees, as well as the 300 kilohertz program with a field of view of 120 degrees. Now, in this 120 degrees, the lasers frequency is tripled compared to the miniVUX 1 UAV. So it offers you the ability to fly 3 times faster as you could before with the miniVUX 1 UAV, capturing the same point density on the ground, or you can fly at the same speed and triple your point density, providing a more feature-rich point cloud. So it really depends on what you're looking to do and provides that efficiency in the field. So for those operators who are not sensitive to country of origin platforms, I'd like to introduce our Integration Kit 300, which is especially designed for DJI's next generation UAV platform, the M300 RTK. The IK300 supports select miniVUX system configurations due to the overall lift capacity of this UAV platform. So we would integrate the miniVUX sensor type plus the Planix APX15 IMU GNSS solution, or the miniVUX sensor type with the APX15 IMU and a single nadir camera. Now, another configuration update, thanks to the newly introduced solution from Planix, is the AP Plus series. Now, the AP Plus 30 IMU GNSS solution offers a multi-purpose system setup for clients interested in one system configuration that really supports both mobile and UAV-based missions. And this is because the AP Plus series supports both a DMI, or distance measurement indicator, as well as a dual GAMS solution. So this system configuration really presents the lightest weight multi-purpose setup from RIEGL at 4.3 kilograms, or just under 9.5 pounds. Another IMU GNSS solution from Planix is the IMU 90, and this configuration is a very small form factor, and with the significance of that it only weighs about 70 grams. So this is still undergoing testing, but it shows a performance that meets the same as the existing APX20 that's been in the marketplace. But this smaller and lighter weight solution is really tailored to address size, weight, power requirements of high-end LiDAR payloads integrated onto UAVs, as it offers a much lighter weight solution. Now, as there are so many IMU GNSS solutions available in the marketplace, just showcasing from left to right in terms of how accurate these unit types are, of course, with regards to weight, as they are coupled with both the miniVUX and VUX series sensor types from us. The new APX20 with the new IMU 90 provides that 70 grams of additional weight compared to the well-established same APX20 and IMU 82. But what's of note is that new AP plus 30 gives you that multi-purpose UAV and mobile application. Something of note and something that we are cognizant of is really that lighter weight solution for not only IMUs, but the cameras for your lighter weight payload overall. So we are working hard on an industrial grade camera solution, and that's truly because our VUX-120 sensor type, the front end camera mounting, really only supports up to 70 grams of weight. So in order for us to offer a lightweight but high performance camera, we're working on providing a lighter weight industrial grade camera solution that still offers up to 61 megapixels, and that gives us, depending on the configuration, a very lightweight solution. And then this will convey over to both the miniVUX and VUX series alike. So just keep that in mind and stay tuned to this availability. So RIEGL's UAV Rycopter and the IK300 are not the only turnkey solutions available. Of course, there are a variety of UAV platforms in the marketplace that support LiDAR payload weights with your desired flight times for operations and performance. The miniVUX series and VUX series payloads offer very user-friendly integrations, and we're working directly with a variety of UAV manufacturers to put our payloads onto their platforms for a truly turnkey solution. A few vendors that we're working with are Harris Aerial, Watts Innovations, Free Fly Systems, formerly known as BFD Solutions, Aerial Robotics, and Skyfront. So rolling out later this year is going to be a firmware update for miniVUX and VUX units alike that will make use of our new web application version of RIEGL Embedded for your data acquisition. This application will be especially useful for direct connectivity and configuration of the miniVUX and VUX laser and camera configuration. And this will also allow for obtaining status information updates to not only initialize, but execute your data capture right in the field from a web portal. Taking a look at this provides that status information. You can see the laser configuration. You can connect to the camera and configure it directly. This will provide your project information as well, so you can start and stop. So in order to take advantage of this, just make sure your software maintenance is up to date from data acquisition and post-processing, and this will allow you to access this once it is made available. So with regards to software, we have rolled out a new processing license types. We offer now, instead of that single user dongle, we are now dongle-less by making use of our SNL or scanner serial number licenses. There is no USB dongle required. This is very cloud friendly. This offers any computer can process an infinite number of processing tasks, no matter how large or small your project is, as long as you have that serial license applied to your computer. Alternately, we offer a single instance licensing, or SIL, which is our previous server dongle based, and this will provide a more network friendly distribution of processing tasks across the board. All of these are available, and something of note is for the miniVUX series themselves is we have a lightweight licensing cost structure, and this provides RIEGL's most cost-effective licensing solution to date. So for eligibility, this is available, especially for the serial number-based licenses. This is available for all of the miniVUX and VUX series sensor types. It is tied to the serial number itself, just like our acquisition is, but that will carry over and convey to the processing aspect as well. If your software maintenance is valid and up to date, it's just simply a conversion for your license structure, free of charge. If your software maintenance has expired, it's just simply the renewal to convert it over. A firmware upgrade would be applied to the sensor type, so that way afterwards, after you've applied it, all projects captured since then will have that applied, and you will no longer need your dongle to process. Just keep in mind that any data that is captured prior to that firmware upgrade will need to have the previous licenses available to process. So in conclusion, you can find your choice and ready-to-use RIEGL LiDAR solutions that offer unrivaled scan patterns and increases your efficiency and usability to take you further and beyond with high performance and engineering-grade mapping data to get you from the field and to the end for your deliverables. So thank you so much for your attention. And if you have any questions, would like some information, pricing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@RIEGLUSA.com or give us a call. And we look forward to working with you and seeing how RIEGL can assist you in your business. Thanks so much.